Ormeus Ecosystem DAO. Last week, we focused on the DAO itself, providing more information about the way it functions, more about the rules, and the voting itself. The DAO was one of the topics our community requested more information on or forwarded their questions on to our admins. The other topic that is mainly addressed is the ORV, the idea behind it, the webpage, and how the 3.0 upgrade will work. The core foundation of the Vault is the accumulation of assets that increase the value of the entire ecosystem hub, the Ormeus coin. The ORV enables all our ecosystem supporting components to interact and interoperate across various blockchains. These supporting components connect to the ORV to add global value to the ecosystem while adding value to our tokens, Ormeus, Eco, and Ormeus Cash. All the components on the ORV, such as buyback bots, Ecosilium DeFi platform, and other technologies, are connected and support each other and the whole mechanism of the ORV. As already mentioned, the 3.0 version, which was already under development and testing, is built over smart contracts. This will help to make the whole process inside of the mechanism be completed faster and more efficiently. The new ORV 3.0 webpage is already in the build stage, and the page is currently under maintenance, so that is why it appears offline. You will all see the ORV 3.0 come together soon, and we will follow up with more information during our following updates and educational videos release. Thank you for being so supportive.